Hey gourmet lovers, ready to elevate your pasta game? Today I'm going to show you how to make Farro Mafaldine with black truffle butter and mushrooms. This dish is rich, luxurious, and surprisingly easy to make. So let's dive right in. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need a tablespoon of softened unsalted butter, 1.5 teaspoons of black truffle paste or finely grated black truffle, a 1/4 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, and 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, divided. Next, grab 6 ounces of mixed fresh wild mushrooms, stemmed and sliced. That should be about 3 cups. Add 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, also divided, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. For the pasta, we're using 8 ounces of uncooked Farro Mafaldine. You'll also need 1 small garlic clove, thinly sliced, 1/2 cup of vegetable broth, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh flat leaf parsley, and 1/2 ounce of pecorino sardo cheese, grated. Got everything? Great, let's get cooking. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a small bowl, stir together the butter, truffle paste, lemon juice, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt until combined. Set that truffle butter aside. Now toss your mushrooms with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, black pepper, and the remaining 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Spread them in an even layer on a small, rimmed baking sheet and roast in your preheated oven until tender and golden brown. This should take about 15 minutes. Make sure to stir them halfway through cooking. Once they're done, let them cool to room temperature. Meanwhile, cook your Farro Mafaldine pasta in boiling salted water until al dente. This should take about 5 to 6 minutes. During the last 2 to 3 minutes of pasta cook time, heat the remaining 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a 12-inch skillet over medium-high heat. Add the garlic and cook, stirring constantly until it begins to brown, about 2 minutes. Stir in the vegetable broth and your cooled mushrooms. Drain the pasta, reserving 1 cup of the cooking liquid. Add the pasta and truffle butter to the mushroom mixture in your skillet over medium-high heat. Toss everything to combine and cook, stirring occasionally until the sauce is emulsified. This should take about a minute. Add the reserved cooking liquid 1 tablespoon at a time until you reach the desired sauce consistency. Remove the skillet from heat and stir in the parsley and 1 tablespoon of grated pecorino sardo cheese. Divide the pasta between 2 bowls and sprinkle with the remaining grated cheese. And there you have it. Your Farro Mafaldine with black truffle butter and mushrooms is ready to serve. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And remember, the best way to cook with truffles is to keep it simple. Enjoy every luxurious bite. Catch you in the next video.